Hello, today we grandly launch our new products TC1500 and TC1800. Both of them are three-way full-range active Bluetooth speaker. It's with Bluetooth and active. Of course, it's with two wireless microphones included. So the controlling board with SD, USB, and also the CD, all the cards for controlling the whole system as active setting. So it's packaged with the flight case.